The part second. Today, next exercise is study of poultry intact egg. So you can write this exercise and make a diagram as I show you. You may write down on the right page one by one all the parts of the egg. First of all, we discuss about the egg. Poultry egg is very nutritive. If we will consider the weight of the egg is approximately 50 to 57 gram and average is 57 gram, and if we compare the egg with milk, no doubt milk nutritive value is better than the egg value. And in the view of the economic, if 100 ml milk compared to the egg means approximately 2 egg value in 100 ml egg value, then nutrients value is almost same, but milk is cheaper than the egg. Nowadays the egg cost is approximately 5 rupees per egg. So we consider if 2 egg, that is cost is 10 rupees. If we will consider the average milk cost is 50 rupees per kg, 100 ml is 5 rupees. So it is cheap, milk is cheaper than egg in the aspect of the nutritive value. But important thing is here that there is a chance of the adulteration in milk, but in egg there is no adulteration, because intact egg is completely pure. There is no chance of any mixing, no chance of any type of the adulteration, and keep the egg. But no doubt only the difference of egg is fresh and old egg. So you can detect very easily. Take a glass of water and wash the egg in plain water and dip the egg in glass of water. If egg is settled down in the bottom, then this is the fresh egg. If egg will be float on the glass or come to the middle or upper, means it is the old egg. So this is only very simple method to detect the egg old is or new. Another thing of egg, sometimes some misconception of that, many person they sell the egg that this is the desi egg and this is the fertile egg. There is no difference between desi and fertile or desi and farmy egg. The fertile means if any poultry stock, the male egg is kept on the female hen, automatically the egg will be fertile. Otherwise, the normal phenomenon, normal physiology of the poultry is that after every 27, 28 hours, one egg will be descend down, or it will be laid the egg after every 27 to 28 hours. After the some 4 or 5 eggs, there may be some time of clutch size. The main thing is that the egg color depend on the breed of the hen. If hen is having brown or red earlobe, then egg will automatically brown color. If the egg is having, if the bird is having white for white earlobe, then it is the egg will having white color. So there is no difference between the desi and farmy egg. Nutritive value will be same. There is no difference in the composition. The taste is no doubt slightly different, because the desi poultry birds, they are wandering here and there, different uh, type of the feed or herbs or the different type of the insect, whatever they require, they keep in their feed. So the taste is only slightly different due to the pigments. In farming, only difference whatever you provide to the poultry birds, the color and the inside eggs will be same. So we can say that there is this some misconception, some person they cheat the person, this is the desi egg, this is the farm egg, this is fertile egg. So all the things are the equal, there is no market difference, only the misconception or the misguiding the person. Now we comes on the we come on the study of the eggs. Now we'll start from the bit inside of the eggs. Inside of the egg you can see the germinal disc. This germinal disc convert into the germinal disc, germinal blast when this is fertile. The yellow color you are seeing is the yolk. Then this yolk is binded with chalaza. This chalaza is forming the eggs inside all type of the intact or liquid egg. Now from inside the vitelline membrane, this vitelline membrane is the surrounding the egg portion. This egg portion is the vitelline membrane. Whenever the sperm is diffused, then it will fertile. Then vitelline membrane to come the outer maximum more sizes, that is the albumin, thick albumin and thin albumin. Two type of the albumin deposited on the yolk. So this is the maximum part that is having full of the protein. Then next is the outer side. This is inner or outer cell membrane. The inner cell membrane, this is compact to the all liquid portion of the egg, and the outer cell membrane, this is just stitching with the calcium carbonate or outside the thick and hard portion, and between this thick and thin albumin is distinguished between the air cell. This air sac is air portion, where this air portion is helpful to firm down the egg or liquid portion in the particular cells. And whenever this air cell role is that, its function is that when the egg is fertile, when the chicks is respiration, this is provide the some air to the chicks. This is the role. And outer side the portion is, this is the more, this is cell, or this you may be called in the calcium carbonate cover, or it may be called as the outer cell hard portion. Is made of the calcium phosphate. Mostly this portion is prepared in the uterus of the poultry. So whatever I have discussed you may write 1 or 2 lines for every each part in your practical. Thank you very much. Okay.